Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 72, exercise 8.2. Last time we finished our question number 1. Now we will have question number 3. According to your reduced syllabus, we will have question number 3. Your part number 2, 3 and 4 are included. Now I am going to select part number 3 and 4. Question number 3, part number 3. This is 2 plus iota power 5 2 plus iota whole power 5 minus 2 minus iota power 5. 2 minus iota power 5. Dear students, you can have let A is equal to 2, B is equal to iota, n is equal to 5, then a plus b power 5 minus a minus b power 5. I have used a instead of 2 and b instead of iota, and power n is equal to 5. So here is power n. This will also be power n. So first of all, I will solve them in general. Then we will use the values of a, b and n. We have nc0, a n b0. Are nc1 a n minus 1 b1. Similarly, nc2 a n minus 2 b square plus nc3 a n minus 3 b3. This power is basically 5, so the total number of terms in expansion will be 6 because it starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. nc4 a n minus 4 b4. nc5 a n minus 5 b5. Then minus the same, all the terms will be same, but here you will have negative sign outside. nc0 a n b0. nc1 a n minus 1 b1, and here will be minus b power 1. Then nc2 a n minus 2 minus b power 2. Then nc3 a n minus 3 minus b power 3. nc4 a n minus 4 minus b power 4. nc5 a n minus 5 b5. This is actually minus b5. Dear students, apply the values here. So what will be 5c0 a5b0. 5c1 a4b1. 5c2 a3 a cube b square 5c3 a square b cube 5c4 ab4 5c5 a0 b5. After that we have minus 5c0 a power b0. Here was minus plus 5c1 a4 b. Then this is plus because of plus minus, because minus b square is b square. So there will be negative sign because of outside. 5c2 a cube b square. Then here is cube, negative power. So minus plus 5c3 a square b cube. Then again minus b power 4 is plus, but outside negative sign. So here is minus 5c4 ab4. And at the end this is minus b power 5, this is minus, and minus outside this will be plus 5c5 a0 b5. Dear students, you can check your terms. First term 5c0 and 5b0 minus 5c0, they are cancelled out. Similarly, the third terms are cancelled out and fourth terms are cancelled out. And we are left with 5c1. This 5c1 is, yes, it will be 5c1 yes, that is 5a4b, then plus 5c3, that will be 10 a square b cube, then 5c5 is 1 and a power 0, that will be b5. Remember that this is 5c1 is 5, 5c3 is 10, 5c5 is 1, and these terms are exactly similar. So we will have the repetition of these numbers. Plus 5a4b, 10 a square b cube, plus b5. You can have 10 a4b, plus 20 a square b cube, plus 2b5. Using values 10 into, what about a? A was 2 power 4 and b is iota. Then 20, 2 square iota cube. Then plus 2 iota power 5. Here we can have 2 power 4. That will be 16 into 10, 160 iota. Then this will be 4. This is 80 iota square into iota. Then 2 iota square whole square into iota. 160 iota minus 80 iota, because iota square is minus 1. Then this is plus 2 iota square whole square is minus 1 square into iota. It will be 160 iota minus 80 iota plus 2 iota. Here we can have 162 iota minus 80 iota. It will be Yes, 82 iota. We can have 82 iota. This is our answer. That was your part number 3. That was your part number 3 of question number 3. After that, we will have last part. Yes, we have part number 4. X plus x square minus 1 under root whole cube. X plus x square minus 1 under root whole cube. Then we have plus x minus x square minus 1 whole under root whole cube. Dear students, here you can have, this is A, this is B. We can write down 3C0, first term, power 3, and second term, power 0. That is 3C1 x square minus 1 under root power 1. This will be 3C2 x square minus 1 under root whole square. 3C3 x power 0 x square minus 1 under root whole power 3. Similarly, you can have second with the negative sign here. 3C0 x cube minus x square minus 1 under root this power 0. 3C1 x square minus 1 under root, outside there is a negative sign, then plus 3C2 x square minus 1 under root whole power 2 with negative sign inside. This will be 3C3 x0 minus x square minus 1 under root whole power 3. Dear students, you can check. This power is 0. So we can have 3C0 is 1. X cube, and that will be something power 0 is 1. Then 3C1. Yes, we have 3C1. 3C1. We can have 3 x square and x square minus 1 under root. Then 3C2. 3C2 is 3 x square and square root cancelled out, x square minus 1. 3C3 is 1, x power 0 is 1, x square minus 1 cube. Dear students, you can check. This is plus 1 x cube into 1 because of power 0 that was having 1, something power 0 is 1, but here is negative sign with 1 power, so this minus will come before and you will get the same term with opposite sign. Similarly, because of this square it becomes positive, that will be 3 into x square minus 1. 2 will make it positive and square root cancelled out. And after that, this is power 3. So negative sign will remain as it is. So we will have last term. In this way, we have different terms with opposite sign. Second term is cancelled with this second term, and last term cancelled with this last term, and we are left with x cube plus x cube is 2x cube. Then we have 6x into x square minus 1. You can add them. Here is 2x cube plus 6x cube minus 6x, 8x cube minus 6x. 8x cube minus 6x, this is your answer. I hope that you understood this question. After this, we can have next question. This is the similar one, just like question number 5. So I am going to choose one question from 4 and 5. They are exactly same, and we have to apply the quadratic formula here. We have to apply the quadratic formula. Question number 4 and 5. Expand the following in ascending powers of x, then expand the following in descending powers of x. So I am going to choose question number 4, part number 2. 1 minus x plus x square whole power 4. 1 minus x plus x square whole power 4. Yes, we have, let a is equal to 1 minus x, b is equal to x square, then we will have a plus b power 4. A plus b power 4, it will be easy to open now. 4c0, a4b0, 4c1, a cube b, 4c2, a square b square, 4c3, ab cube, 4c4, a0 b4. Dear students, now you can apply the values. A plus b power 4, 4c0 is 1, a4 and b0 is 1. Then 4c1 is 4c1 is 4. C1 is 4. 4a cube b, then 4c2 is 6 a square b square, 4c3 is 4ab cube, and 4c4 is 1 and b4. Now you can have x plus x square whole power 4. A is 1 minus x whole power 4. 4 into A is 1 minus x power 3. B is x square. 6. 1 minus x square into x square whole square. Plus 4 into 1 minus x square cube. Then x square whole power 4. We have applied all values here. Again you can check. This can be taken as equation number 1. Now 1 minus x power 4 is equal to, this is binomial series, we can open up 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 1 into 2x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 1, 2, 3 into x cube. Then 4, 3, 2, 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4 minus x power 4. Dear students, you can check. They are cancelled out. We are left with 1 minus 4x. Then this x square will become plus x square and this will be 6x square. Then because of this power 3, we will have negative sign minus 4x cube and plus 4x4. So in place of 1 minus x whole power 4, we can apply this value. 1 minus 4x plus 6x square minus 4x cube plus x4. Then plus 4x square. This is plus 4x square into 1 minus x cube. We can open up the formula of 1 minus x cube, that is 1 minus x cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is our formula. A minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3a into b minus 3ab into a minus b. And after that we have 6x power 4. X square whole square is 6x power 4. Open up the formula of square. 1 minus 2x plus x square. Then plus 4x6 into 1 minus x plus x8. So dear students, we will write down ascending powers of x here. Ascending powers of x. Ascending powers of x. Here we can have 1 minus 4x plus 6x square minus 4x cube plus x4 plus 4x square minus 4x5 plus minus minus 12x cube minus minus plus here is minus 12x cube, 4x square with 1, then plus minus minus 4x5, then plus minus minus 12x cube, then minus minus plus 3x square into 4x square. What will be plus 12x4? 12x4. Minus minus plus 3x square plus 3x square. 3 4 the 12 and x square x4. Then plus 6x4 minus 12x5 plus 6x6 plus 4x6 minus 4x7 plus x8. So we have minus 4x7. So dear students, first of all, 1 minus 4x. Find x term anywhere. We do not have. Then x square term. What is x square term? This and this. It is plus 10x square. Then x cube term. Minus 4 minus 12 minus 16x cube. Then x4 terms. X4 terms are, this is x4, this will be 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 1 plus 19 x4 here will be minus 4x square minus 4x5 plus 4x cube minus 12x cube and then plus 12x4 plus 6x4. Okay, 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 1 is yes. Now after that we have x5 power minus 12x5 plus 10x6 minus 4x7 plus x8. Dear students, this is your expression in ascending powers. I hope that you can do other parts in exactly same like this person. Here we will have now you can have your question number 5, part number 1 in descending power, and here in this case, dear students, listen carefully. You can take A is equal to x square and B will be x minus 1. So in this way, in the same way you can open up. After that we have question number 6 and there are 3 parts, part number 2, 3 and 4. So I am taking part number 2 and 3. Question number 6. Find the term involving. Find the term involving. Find the term involving, that is x minus 2 in the expansion of x minus 2 in the expansion of, what is expansion of? X minus 2 over x square whole power 13. Dear students, first of all you must know about the rth term. Here we have TR plus 1 is equal to NCR AN minus RBR. This is specified term. This is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR AN minus RBR. Same term like we were writing the binomial theorem. From this expression, we can have A is equal to x, B is equal to minus 2 over x square, N is equal to 13. Actually, you have to find the value of R using TR plus 1 NCR AN minus RBR. TR plus 1 is equal to N is 13CR, A is x power 13 minus R, B is minus 2 over x square power R. So simply we have to find the value of R. TR plus 1, 13CR, x power 13 minus R, minus 2 power R over x. This R is power on both. Distribute this power. Minus 2 power R, x power R into 2, that is 2R. Bring this x to R power above, here in the numerator. So we can have 13CR, x power 13 minus R minus 2R minus 2 power R. Take this to the numerator and its power will be subtracted from this x power. TR plus 1, 13CR, x power 13 minus 3R minus 2 power R. To get our required term, this is the power of x here and power of x here in your question. They must be equated. So base is equal to base, power is equal to power. In this way we will find the unknown value of R. To get our required term, let 13 minus 3R is equal to minus 2. You can take 3R to the right hand side and 2 to the left hand side. 3R is equal to 15 and R is equal to 5. Dear students, using this value of R in this equation, you can take it as number 1. So you will have T 5 plus 1, 13C5, x power 13 minus 3 into 5, minus 2 power 5. 13C5, we have 13C5. 13C5. We have 13C5 is 1, 2, 8, 7, and x power 13 minus 15, that will be minus 2, and here is minus 32. Minus 2 power 5 is 32. So multiplied by 32, we have minus 4, 1, 1, 8, 4, x power minus 2. So dear students, this is the term involving x minus 2. Term involving x minus 2. Actually this is T6. T5 plus 1, T6. So in this way, you can have your answer. So dear students, we have our minus 4, 1, 1, 8, 4, x power minus 2. After that, I told you that I am going to choose our part number 4. We can take part number 4. Part number 4. number 4 you can have yes. Part number 4 is find the term involving y cube in the expansion of y cube in the expansion of x minus y under root power 11 whole power 11. T r plus 1 and C r n minus r d r, this is general term. So let A is equal to x, B is equal to y under root, and n is equal to 11, r is to be find out. Using T r plus 1 NCR AN minus R dr. TR plus 1 NCR 11CR A is x power 11 minus R, B is this is minus y under root whole power R. So instead of A we applied x, B minus y under root and power R. So dear students, TR plus 1 is equal to 11CR, x11 minus R, minus 1 power R, y power R by 2. You know that y under root being 1 over 2. So power y is 1 over 2 multiplied by r is this one. To get our required term, let r over 2 is equal to power 3. Remember that this is power r or power y, r over 2, and here y power is 3. So they are equal. So r is equal to 6. We will have r is equal to 6. So t6 plus 1, 11c6, x power 11 minus 6, minus 1 power 6, and y power 6 over 2. So t power t7, this is your 7th term. After that, we have 11c6, 11c6, 11c6 is 462, and power x 5 minus 1 power 6, 6 is even, so you will have 1 and y power 3. So 462 x 5 y cube, this is t7. Dear students, this is actually your term involving y power 3. Yes, we have y power 3. After this, we have question number 7. Find the coefficient of x5 in the expansion, xn in the expansion. Then we have question number 8. Find 6th term. Yes, we have question number 7. I am going to choose part number 2. Find the coefficient of Yes, we have question number 7, part number 2. Coefficient of xn we have to find in the expansion of, find the coefficient of xn in the expansion of x square minus 1 over x power 2n. X square minus 1 over x power 2n. So dear students, we will have a is equal to x square, b is equal to minus 1 over x, n is equal to 2n. N is equal to 2n. Actually, we have to find the value of r using general term formula Tr plus 1 is equal to NCr An minus R dr. Tr plus 1, n is 2n Cr, a is x square whole power 2n minus r, b is minus 1x power r. Tr plus 1 is equal to 2ncr x 4n minus 2r minus 1 power r over x power r. Minus 1 over x can be taken as whole power will be distributed. So you can have Tr plus 1 2ncr x power 4n minus 2r minus r. Bring this xr to the numerator. So you can have, it will come up with the negative sign and minus 1 power r. So we have Tr plus 1 is equal to 2ncr x power 4n minus 3r minus 1 power r. To get our required term, let 4n minus 3r x power 4n minus 3r is equal to n. This one. Here is n. So 4n is equal to n. 4n minus n is equal to 3r. 3n is equal to 3r and n is equal to r. So dear students, now you can have n is equal to r here, or you can say r is equal to n here, using value of r as n here. Therefore, Tn plus 1 is equal to 2ncn x power 4n minus 3n minus 1 power n. Tn plus 1. Now this is 2ncn. First of all, I want to tell you, this can be written as ncr, rncr. When you open up NCR, this is n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is formula, manual formula for NCR. We are using with the calculator, but sometimes you have to make use of this formula because you do not have any fixed number. So that's why we will apply here. What is that? N factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here is 2n factorial over n factorial into 2n minus n factorial. X power n minus 1 power n. Here is Tr plus 1, 2n factorial over n factorial minus 1 power n x power n. Here is Tr plus 1, 2n factorial over n factorial whole square minus 1 power n xn. Dear students, coefficient of xn mean the value before xn. This is known as coefficient of xn. Therefore, coefficient of xn is equal to 2n factorial over n factorial whole square into minus 1 power n. So dear students, that was your question, required question. Yes, after that we have question number 8. In question number 8, find 6 terms. If in question number 8 you have to find 6 terms, you can write down 6 as 5 plus 1. So what about r? R is equal to 5. That was unknown, but here in this question, r is equal to 5, a is equal to x square, b is equal to minus 3 over 2x, and n is equal to 10. So in this way you can find your answer. I hope that you can complete your question, and you can complete those questions, those parts which are left for you as homework. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.